Hey guys, I'm Malena and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I just want to show you a few things that I got at Trader Joe's on my lunch break. So I went over and only was going for one thing. I was looking for this stuff. I absolutely love this chili lime seasoning. I put this on my asparagus and I put it on my fish. It tastes amazing. It's really not that high in sodium. It's not too hot and it's not too salty. But anyway, I went over to Trader Joe's today just for that one thing. And of course, I end up buying everything else. So we all go to Trader Joe's just thinking, you know, oh, I'm gonna only get one thing, and that never happens. We end up buying more than what we should. Some things I did tear into while I was in the car. I couldn't resist. I've heard that these things are absolutely amazing. I grew up in South Florida and I love mangoes, and let me just tell you, I couldn't resist. I got in the car, I tore them open, and I had to have one just to see what they were like. They are really high in sugar, but they're great for a snack after the gym for my post-workout little snack. Here is what is in those. So we are going to start with, this stuff is so good. I love pizza. If you have not tried this cauliflower pizza crust, it's really good. I try and save this for one of my higher carb days. So if you have not tried this cauliflower pizza crust, I highly recommend trying this. Right now I am trying to eat a lot of tilapia, and I've tried Publix, I've tried Kroger, and I have to say that these tilapia fillets are really, really good. For what you get 2 of these fillets and it's like $3-4 depending on the weight. Very good, they're easy. I just throw them in the sink to thaw out before I decide to cook them. So I got tons of these, guys. Can never have enough tilapia fillets, so I did stock up on these, and they also come with a little recipe, which is great. With these fillets, I basically thaw them out, and then I season them really well, and then I throw them in the pan and sear them and just squirt a little bit of lime and cilantro and fresh garlic on those, and they're pretty tasty. Next thing that I have got is the spinach artichoke dip. This stuff is so good. I can't eat these every day. If I could, I definitely would, but they are kind of high in, well, not really, but you can't just eat 2 tablespoons of the stuff. I basically need to eat the whole thing along with the tortilla chips. So yeah, if you have not tried this stuff is really good. I do crave bacon, I'm sorry, but yeah, turkey bacon gets a little old, and every once in a while I will get their uncured dry rub sliced bacon. It's super tasty. I love throwing this in my air fryer. Another thing that I love, every time I go to Trader Joe's, I have to buy, like, stock up on these. But when you get this, it's fresh meat. I stick them in the freezer because I'm not gonna eat them right away. I usually try and save, like, my steaks for at least once or twice a month. I'll eat a good steak. And when I do eat a good steak, if we're not going out, I will definitely eat this here. Throw this on the grill or even broil it. It is awesome. The flavor is just really, really good. I also will make some of these for my meal preps for lunch as well. Can't go wrong with all natural ground turkey breast. It's 99% fat-free. If you're making this, you may want to add a little more seasoning to it, just because once you cook this down, it gets really dry because it is 99% fat-free. But I find that it works for my macros. All right, moving right along. Cauliflower gnocchi. I could not pass that up. I'm gonna try this out because I do love gnocchi. I had to get 2 of those, of course. Then we've got quinoa. This was also in the frozen section. This is fully cooked organic quinoa. I thought this would be perfect to either have for dinner one night as a side item or even for my lunch. So I have not had these. Chicken spring rolls. white meat chicken with basil, garlic, and ginger. That sounded pretty tasty. So I probably will have one of these. So I thought that those looked good, wanted to try those. And another thing, oh, I love these things. These are great just to heat up. They're already cooked, and they are the chili lime chicken burgers. So these are absolutely amazing. I make my own fresh guacamole, my own pico. I'll make a side of basmati rice. So here are the macros on that. Just one burger, 6 grams of fat. There's a great amount of protein in there. These burgers are really good. I recommend trying those. So I had to get 2 boxes of those. I'm definitely into teas right now, and I thought that these teas would be something good to try out. This is a berries and cherries herbal tea, and of course it's caffeine free. So every night after dinner I'm always craving something sweet, and for me just having tea at night kind of helps with that sweet kick. But I thought that these were so cute. They're in their own little pouch, and you've got all your like little fruits, the cherries, all that's in there, and they smell really good. So I had to get this and try these out, and I had one last night, and wow, let me just say that they are really good. There's just enough of a sweetness to them, so you don't have to add anything to it. You don't have to add any sugar or anything like that. So with my teas at night, I love using some type of tea, and then of course I like to add my collagen peptide. I love this stuff. So I put this in my tea as well. So another one that I got is the Moroccan mint green tea, and I haven't tried this one yet. Like I said, I'm like on a tea kick right now, so I've got to try like every kind of tea I can possibly find. Then I got French vanilla coffee. Came across this just because I'm tired of plain coffee, and I thought French vanilla would be good. My coffee right now, I am down to just a splash of either almond or coconut milk, so I don't use anything else but that, and I thought getting the vanilla would be really good. I liked these. I saw these on Instagram. Somebody had posted these, so I got these. I love wine, and I haven't had wine in so long because I'm just trying to cut everything out right now, and I thought, well, I'm gonna try these next time I am able to have me a nice glass of wine. This will be perfect for the summer, sitting around the pool. So I got a rose wine, and I also got a red wine blend. So those, wine out of a can, I'm not too sure, but we'll see how those taste. And then I found this. This was so cool. I could not pass this up, but I'm like, I love beer, and I like beer. I like the dark beer. I don't like light beers unless it's like a Blue Moon with an orange in it. But this one caught my attention. Modern Times Beer, and it's a coffee roasty stout made by, I guess it's Black House in San Diego. And it was really cool because they had this cute thing on the back that says, "It's so great that you like coffee. I just love that about you." It kind of tastes like a chocolate-covered espresso bean, so it's pretty cool. So I'll have to try that one day. I got the Spanish organic virgin garlic oil. It's garlic flavored olive oil, and this stuff is really good. So you don't have to add any extra garlic to your food when you're using this. And then with my cauliflower gnocchi, I may just try this bruschetta to go with it. And that looked pretty good as well. So, I mean, like, all this stuff is pretty cheap. You know, can't go wrong with Trader Joe's. This is what I basically came to Trader Joe's for, because I love this stuff. I ended up getting 2 of them just to stock up on them, because you never know when they're going to discontinue this item or just not have them anymore. Came across some protein bars. I don't like protein bars. I don't like just the consistency of some of them. They're very thick. This one is the birthday cake, and then this one is the maple glazed donut. Another favorite of mine is one that tastes just like Almond Joy. It's chocolate coconut with almonds on top. It's really good. So I recommend trying these one bars if you have not already, especially after the gym, after a hard workout. Last but not least, I couldn't resist tearing these guys open. As soon as I got in the car, I saw somebody post these up on Instagram, saying how wonderful they are, and I love mangoes, and these taste just like mangoes with a little bit of sugar coating, so they're like candy. So if you have not tried these, I recommend trying these if you're a mango lover. So yeah, but anyway, well, there you have it. There's my Trader Joe's haul. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.